Hello friends. So, is your car having trouble starting, or do you smell strong fuel vapors around the engine? If your scanner shows code P0496, it means there's a problem with the EVAP system, causing excessive purge flow. This can lead to hard starting, rough idling, and even poor fuel economy. In this video I'll explain what P0496 means, its symptoms, sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. The P0496 code stands for EVAP flow during a non-purge condition. This means that the Evaporative Emission Control System, or EVAP, is allowing fuel vapors to enter the engine at the wrong time, disrupting the air-fuel mixture. If left unfixed, it can cause starting issues, poor fuel efficiency, and even damage the catalytic converter. Common symptoms of P0496. Check engine light on, hard starting especially after refueling, rough idling or unstable RPM, strong fuel smell near the engine, and reduced fuel efficiency. If you notice these signs, don't ignore them. To diagnose P0496, locate these key components. EVAP purge solenoid valve, location, typically mounted on or near the intake manifold. EVAP canister purge vent valve, location near the charcoal canister, usually under the rear of the vehicle. Charcoal canister, location, located near the fuel tank under the car. Fuel tank pressure sensor, location, mounted on top of the fuel tank. Engine control module, or ECM, location, usually under the hood or behind the dashboard. Tip: if you recently filled your fuel tank, a faulty purge valve can cause difficulty starting the engine. So let's talk about what actually causes a P0496 code and how you can fix it. First up, a faulty EVAP purge solenoid valve. If this thing gets stuck open, fuel vapors just continuously enter the engine when they shouldn't. Next, a malfunctioning EVAP canister vent valve can be the culprit. A defective valve fails to regulate the vapor flow the right way. Then, there's the charcoal canister. If it's clogged or saturated, well, a damaged canister can cause excessive fuel vapor to be released. Also, a faulty fuel tank pressure sensor, if it gives incorrect readings, it really disrupts how the EVAP system works. And finally, damaged EVAP system hoses. Any cracks or leaks in those hoses can mess with proper vapor flow. Now here's how you go about fixing it. Step 1. Use an OBD-II scanner to confirm you've actually got the P0496 code. Step 2. Check the EVAP purge solenoid valve. Just unplug it and test to see if it's stuck open. Step 3. Inspect the EVAP canister vent valve. Make sure it opens and closes like it's supposed to. Step 4. Examine the charcoal canister and look for any signs of excessive fuel saturation. Step 5. Test the fuel tank pressure sensor. Use a multimeter to check the voltage readings and see if they're in spec. Step 6. Inspect all the hoses and connectors in the EVAP system. Replace any vacuum lines that are cracked or leaking. And finally, Step 7. Reset the code and take your car for a test drive. Clear the fault code, then see if the issue comes back. So the P0496 code is, more often than not, caused by a bad purge solenoid valve, a faulty vent valve, or just a problem somewhere in the EVAP system. Fixing this issue will boost your fuel efficiency, help prevent rough idling, and yeah, make sure your engine runs nice and smooth. For more car troubleshooting guides, definitely check out these videos next. P0252, injection pump fuel metering control, a range or performance, and P0253, injection pump fuel metering control, a low. And hey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.